Good day. Welcome to the PSG Wealth Local Solutions Performance Overview for February 2019. The local market ended February in the green, with the FTSE JSE Aussie rising 3.4% for the month, boosted by strong performances by resource counters on the JSE. The top performing asset class in Rand was offshore equity, returning 8.8% for the month. The Rand weakened by about 4.5% versus the US dollar, causing the higher returns of offshore assets in Rand terms, as the graph illustrates. Over the long term, growth assets such as equity and property have outperformed the more conservative asset classes such as cash and bonds. 7 years ago, the Rand was trading at around R7.50 versus the US dollar. The subsequent Rand weakness has resulted in offshore assets delivering very favorable returns in Rand terms, with offshore property and equity delivering in excess of 17%. The enhanced interest delivered first quartile performance, while the moderate and creator delivered second quartile performance for February. Since inception, our local solutions have been amongst the top performers in their peer groups. This is testament to the benefits of using funds that consistently outperform their average peers over time. The enhanced interest, moderate and creator outperformed their respective benchmarks in February, with the creator delivering outperformance of about 1%. Year to date until 6 March 2019, all of the local solutions have outperformed their benchmarks. Over the minimum investment horizons, the funds have continued to deliver strong performances. Looking at some of the highlights of the funds, PSG and Prudential are currently on the quantitative radar screen. Property has detracted about 1% from the Prudential Enhanced Income's performance over the last year. PSG Asset Management remains one of the strongest fund managers, but all managers go through periods of underperformance when their investment style goes out of favor over shorter term periods. Long term, we still believe that PSG Asset Management will continue to add significant value to the overall fund of funds, as they have done in the past. Investec Opportunity and Investec Equity delivered strong performances for the month. Their offshore holdings contributed to returns. In the equity fund, the gains were also driven by the overweight allocations to resource counters such as BHP Billiton, South32, Implats, and Anglos. In the opportunity fund, key positions in Visa, Moody's, and Microsoft contributed to returns. 19 out of the 25 underlying managers in our local fund of funds have outperformed their peer group averages over the last year. Thank you.